Water leaking from supply lines can seriously mess up your day and your wallet if you don't handle it quick. So, here's the thing. First, always check those connections where the supply line meets the faucet or valve. If you see water dripping, try tightening the nuts with a wrench, but don't crank them too hard or you might break something. If tightening doesn't cut it, turn off the water supply before messing with the line. Next, inspect the washers inside the connections because worn-out washers are a super common reason for leaks. Grab some replacement washers from your local hardware store. They're cheap and easy to swap out. Also, consider replacing old or cracked supply lines altogether because sometimes they're the root of the problem. When you put everything back together, turn the water on slowly and watch carefully for leaks to make sure you fixed it. And hey, if you're not feeling confident with tools, there's no shame in calling in a pro to avoid making things worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with water leaking from supply lines is ignoring small drips, which can lead to bigger damage and higher water bills. Fix this by catching leaks early and acting fast. Another common issue is over-tightening connections, which can crack fittings or strip threads. Just tighten snugly, but don't force it. The third mistake is using the wrong type or size of washers or supply lines, so always double-check specs before buying replacements to avoid compatibility problems. BigHomeProjects.com is a great place for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. It also helps contractors grow their business by connecting them with folks who need reliable help on home repair jobs like fixing those pesky water leaks.